Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chapter 21, Inequalities and Regions, Exercise 21h. Very easy exercise. What are our main objectives? It's like by the end of the exercise you will be able to write the coordinates of the points of the vertices of unshaded region and lying inside the unshaded region. So mainly you have to look at the diagram and see where are the vertices of this unshaded region. So clearly you can see here it's a triangle like this. So this is the vertex, this is another vertex, and we have another vertex here. So because it's a triangle, so there are three vertices, right? You have to find the coordinates of these vertices. So how will you find? Just normally you will check, for example, this is 0 0, right? And from 0 0, let's give them some names. Let's say this, if this is A, this one is B, and this point is C. So what are the coordinates of point A? What are the coordinates of point B, and what are the coordinates of point C? This is our main objective, like to find the coordinates of the vertices, right? So let's see what for B, it's because there is no x coordinate, we are not going right, we are not going up, so just we are moving left, we are just moving upward. So it will be the x coordinate is 0 and the y coordinate is 1, right? Now let's go to A. It's only on the y-axis, it does not have any x coordinate, so it will be x0 and y is 4. So the coordinates of A are 0 and 4. Please remember the first coordinate is the x coordinate and the second one is always the y coordinate. Okay, now to reach on C, first we have to go to right 6. So the x coordinate is 6, and then we have to go down 2 steps to reach on C. So the value of y coordinate will be -2. So same, I think all of you know how to get these coordinates. Here is the answer. Let's go to the question from the exercise. It says, from the diagram, give the coordinates of the vertices of the unshaded region. So look at the unshaded region. The unshaded region has three you can say vertices, this one, and this one. So if you give them names, let's say if this one is A, this one is B, and this one is C, find the coordinates of A, B, and C. Better pause the video here, get the coordinates, and then play the video to check your answer. So here are the coordinates. For point A, it's 2 2, and for point B, it's from here. This is the origin. You always have to start from here. So we have to go to the left side on the x-axis first. So it's -2, and then we'll go to check what is the y coordinate. It's 4. So -2 and 4 is for the point B. And to reach on point C, first we have to go on the x-axis line. So it's -2. Then we have to check how much is the value of y to go down. It's -2. So it will be -2 and 2. Question number 2 from the book. So where are the vertices? It's here, this one, and this one, and this one. Get the coordinates and then play the video to check your answer. Here is the coordinate. Here are the coordinates for point A. This is point A. Let's say you can say the first vertex. Okay, so to reach here you have to go 2 steps to the right and then 3 steps upward. So it's 2 3. To reach on B, you have to go 1 step to the left, so it will be -1, and then we have to stay here. That means the y coordinate is 0. And to reach on C, there is no left right movement, so the x coordinate is 0. You are going downward, so it's -2. So let's solve question number 6 from the book now. Now here it says, draw a diagram and give the vertices of the region defined by the inequalities. Y is greater than 1, y is greater than equal to 1, x is less than or equal to 0, and y is less than or equal to x plus 2. So these two inequalities, this one and this one, are very easy to draw because they have only one variable. This one, it's y is greater than equal to, that the word says hoe means draw horizontal line where y is 1. So go to the y-axis. This is the y-axis line. Find 1 over here and shade draw a horizontal line like this and shade below it, right? I will show you the shading. Just wait for 1 minute. So okay, let me show you. So the shading will be here below the y-axis, right? Now the next is this one, the green one. It says x is less than or equal to 0. It means you have to keep the word box in mind, that go to the x-axis line. So go to the x-axis and find 0 on it. So on the x-axis 0 is here. They said x is less than 0. So on this side we have less than 0. So first of all, draw a vertical line here. So this will be the vertical line, the one that I'm drawing here for you with the blue color. Okay, and then which side will be shaded now? Because it says x is less. So on this side we have the less numbers, and on this side we have the greater numbers. So all this side will be shaded because we do not need the greater numbers than 0, right? So this side will be shaded. Now the third one, because it has both variables y and x, so what will you do? You will make a table first of all, choose any values of x, find the corresponding values of y, let's say 0, 1 and 2. Now complete the table on your own, then play the video to check your answer. Here are the coordinates 0, 2, 1, 3 and 2, 4. So we have to plot them over here. I changed this inequality sign into equal to, and then I have substituted the values of x 0, 1, 2 in place of x. So I got the corresponding values 2, 3, 4 for the y. Now where will be 0, 2? So 0, 2 will be here. Then we have to find 1, 3. So 1, 3 is going to be here. 2, 4 is going to be here. So let's draw the line now. So the line is going to be like this, right? After that you have to see where it will be shaded, right? So because it says y is less, that means from this point I have to keep the lower points. That means I have to keep the ground, and I have to shade above. That means I have to shade the cloud. So all this side of this line will be shaded like this. So clearly you can see there's a small triangle left here. Let me show you a neat picture for it. So here is a very neat picture. So these are the points, this one, and this one. This is the unshaded region, and these are the vertices of this region, right? So if you find the coordinates, so this one is 0, 1, this one is 0, 2, and this one is -1 and 1. So all the vertices are written here. Clearly you can see from this. That's all for this video. Hope you understand the exercise.